Wait, I think it's almost done. That looks like a tornado. It's so strong. It's so strong. It's so strong. When this is done, and when lightning goes out, eventually, I'm gonna put these iPads back, and I'm gonna go sleep. Cause this is bull. This is bull. Like. This is complete bull, man. What a psycho dad. This is psycho dad's controlling this thunder. That's what's coming second after second. I cannot believe what I just witnessed. I don't know what I'm witnessing. Pretty intense. Huh? Wait a minute. Yo, what the fuck? Yo. What the fuck is happening? It's starting to rain. This is bad news. Oh, well, the lightning's over there, but there could be a chance of a thunderstorm, thunder happening here. But it's like that. That's like, I think there might always be a main core, but I think it's always behind those houses. When we see it, it's rare for it to come out here, but it's really common for it to happen here. For it to happen, it's not very common to have it happen here, but it's common out there. And right now, the middle, the headquarters of the lightning is right over there. The headquarters. But I think it looks like the thunder is about to end. So I can see over there, and there's a little bit of raindrops. And I just captured another lightning strike over there. There's no wind at all. Who cares about that? Who cares? I don't. It's starting to rain harder now. Who cares about that either? Who cares about that? I don't. Well, I do, but, you know. Format card? What? Format what? Format for what? Wow. This was intense. This was intense. I cannot believe what I just witnessed today. I cannot believe that just happened. There's our dog. Hi, friend. How do you feel? Well, that was intense. I see some blue sky over there. Yeah. Your sky, your sky. Oh my god. There's a jump rope over there now. Oh my god, this was absolutely. I'm uploading this up to YouTube, right? Like, the second this is done, I'm not gonna wait till tomorrow. I need to get this out before he gets here. This is like the best, because this is the best thing ever. Like, no, seriously. Seriously, it is. It is. I cannot believe that this happened. Boom. More lightning. It's more rare now because the headquarters is past those trees and houses. It was the headquarters of the lightning today. That's what it was. That's why it was so intense. We were in the middle of the thunder. That was basically the headquarters of it. If you have any idea. Because what I witnessed was insane. So insane, I just said sane. I gotta tell all my subscribers about this. Like, not the ones that I don't have notification about. I'm gonna tell them who knows about my channel, who knows my channel, and tell them what I captured tonight. They will have no clue what I just captured, because this was intense. That was great, but this is great too. You know what I mean? I put it on because I wanted to show you. Oh, it's a car. Man. Oh, more lightning. Not as much though, but all the booms are over there. It's a good thing we're not here. Oh, it's a good thing it's not here, because that would be intense as hell. Like, oh my god. Holy shit.